Howdy y'all, my name's Z66 or Zakag, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and welcome to my channel. I have quite a few different things I do on this channel, including car repair, which is a big chunk of it. I have a little bit of foreign and domestic that I do. Now on this channel we also have my initial reviews of devices and tools called premature evaluations. We have tool recovery where I get old tools and bring them back to life and clean them up. We have anatomy of failure where I go over why a part failed and I explain some of the issues. I've also done some financial information, including how to finance a gun through Bud's Gun Shop. Might be something interesting for everybody on this channel. And along with repairing an odd assortment of domestic and foreign cars, we also do a bit of cooking on this channel. And I hope you enjoy it. Be sure to take a moment to like, comment, subscribe, and keep an eye out. You never know what might be popping up. It might be something new that you like. That's all I got to say. You have a good one. Hello everyone, C66, and I'm just going to make you a quick video on how to change your Dyson air filter. And I have a TP01, but this is the filter for it. So, first things first, you've got these clips here, and you push them in. It's kind of hard to do with two hands, but you push them in, they just lift up. Alright, so we got this part off, and you see it's got these grooves it sits in. You're going to lift this out as one piece. And then you take your filter, and this one's pretty darn tootin' dirty. Now a big thing to remember is the plastic side goes on the bottom. So, here's our new filter. We just kind of set it on there. We got this on here, and there's these little clips right here that'll try to catch you. Just don't worry about that. Then you're going to pick this up, and then this portion right here you're going to plug into these basically dog ears. Alright, now you got it plugged in. Turn it on, and your power button, you hold it down for like 5-6 seconds, and it is going to reset the filter status. And then, you know, obviously make sure it's blowing air and all that good stuff, but we'll rock and roll. Anyway, that's how you change your Dyson air filter. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye. Well, everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, underinsured, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.